Hello, this is Robert McKim, founder and president of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol nonprofit organization. And I wanted to basically give you a little short video here warning everybody of the upcoming FEMA wireless emergency alert. Emergency alert that's coming up here today. Let me do this a little bit better here so you can see it a little bit better here. Okay, there's a little bit better there. If I pull back some more, you can see it a little bit better. The FEMA wireless emergency alert today, October 4th, 2023 at 2:20 p.m. This will be an alarm that will sound on your cell phones. And if you have regular cable TV, not streaming services, regular cable TV, it'll be blast on your TV as well. Radio, if you're listening to your radio in your car, or your radio that you may have at your home. Also, I'm not sure if it will or not, but I think it will. I'm not sure if it'll go across weather alert radios. If you have it programmed to receive those kind of alerts, probably. Because you can have, you can program a weather radio to receive certain kind of alerts. And then also, I wanted to let everybody know today is (10-4), good buddy. Happy National CB Radio Patrol. CB Radio Day. I'll get that straight. National CB Radio Day. 10-4, good buddy. But actually, the birthday of the invention of the CB radio was in September. Find this again here. Right here it was "65 years of the CB radio." Formerly was Class D, the 27 megahertz band, which was created on September the 11th, 1959. Carved basically out from the amateur 11 meter band. The original 23 channels later increased to 40 channels. You can read this on what's called the National Communications Magazine. This is a cake here. Actually, that's not real CB radio. That is a cake. They'll look like a CB radio. But the story is September the 11th was the birth date of the CB radio. Then there is something called the where did I find that? I saw it here somewhere. There's also something called National CB Radio Day, which was the 2nd November. 2nd November. Which I have no idea. I never heard about that one until, you know, I was doing some researching. So whether that's true or not, I still have to do some research on that. Oh, it's actually a video here. And notice this is another country because how they word it, 2nd November. Usually we always hear it in the United States of America, put the month first, then the day, then the year. Other countries, they put the day, month, and year. So this could be from a different country. But like I said, I gotta do some more research on it. I'm sorry, I was checking that out, and but my main go-to is for radio information is National Communications Magazine and the AARL. Let me get that right here. Yeah, ARRL, excuse me, ARRL, and that's for ham radio, amateur radio. Anyhow, there's a lot of things that's been going on, but nothing really much to report. That's why I have not made many videos here on the Radio Patrol YouTube channel. So, other than that, just want to say this here. 73, 10-4, good buddy. Over and out.